Mageno Jomane Solas Mhlongo, a spiritual practitioner, a spiritual life coach, a cultural activist, a education specialist, a youth empowerment specialist. Skulumana every Monday, Kalalam Salas in Inanda 88.4 FM, today's Pastor Radio. And right now, Ukonage, Sitage Futige easy to get Kishiga Kulumangas, his own diet and stuff like that. But I Kulumagin go good ticket Namsanje, a Yinig Faded Uyenze after I get my holidays, say to Lidu Bujage, Puza, Nandi, but get Yinesek military and Zegajanga Maji, Ukinagums and Bawako, Upilile, healthy, right? This is in an 88.4 FM, today's Best Radio. And ladies and gentlemen, happy welcome, Mr. Mhlongo in the building. Jomane said, good morning.
Morning, Sbo, Nabalalbo Benanda, 88.4.
Well, this is Builega foot. So kind of you should happy New Year, what is it?
Sakube, Ushido, happy New Year, I'm number late. September.
Okay. So Kurumanga last week. Well, Unyako Mushage long way to 2025 and we should go to Ingos Angeli.
Ingos ukadvise abalali benanda mhlawumbe umuntu abenebhuwana lakhe into engayisisho mase short 10 ubhale 2 ozokuthini ukuze end of the day ubonke into oyifundile ngoba lapha simakho yezempilo ukuthi siyafundisana kahle kahle
right
unciphisa amathuba okuya ebhedlela emaklinikhi lento esiyikhulumayo umuntu angathatha kalula kanti foundation is a core yempilo yakho.
Yeah, uyazi ukuthi noma thi umusha ungathi umusha mina ngisamusha la ngina manje amadola amapimlenzi yami ebhlunga ngazi uzalana kodwa ngimusha what if ungathiwa mhlawumbe senginesifo samathambo stuff like that so ayingeminyaka lento le na Njomane uthi sikhuluma ukuthi after ama holidays esedlulileke besidla siphuza ke sipiyoza kumnandi njengamanje ke impilo compromised health wise and we need to take a look at it sibona ukuthi ngabe yini esingayenza ukuqinisekisa mhlawumbe ngabe singayidla noma singayisebenzisa siphuza ukuqinisekisa ukuthi emizimba yethu yakwazi ukubuyela back to normal right
into encane wesibo mawuqeda ama holiday bathi siphuza singalali sidla abanye bethu bagene ngisho weight after ama holiday into efanele yenze ukuthi kufuneke ukukhathe nje utshwala. You can cut it out or unciphise ngoba vele umzimba wakho uyibona into oqala ufuna uyenze okwesibili kufuneke uprioritize ukulala ulale nje enough time ukuze umzimba wakho ubuye uregain ilokhuzana yakho bese ukuthi okwesibili ke kufuneka physical activities into efana nokujima or wenza ingadi fanele unyakaze nje umzimba uzama ukuthi umzimba ubuse esimeni sawo ukuthi sekuyasetshenzwa
right
and then ke i-diet fanele ulande i-diet ngizothini simplified wazi ukuthi fanele udlani nini ngoba phela kade sidla noma yini okwamanje which is normal but now fanele ulandele i-diet simplified ebaluleke kakhulu nakho konke kufuneka uhlale njalo uhydrated ukuba hydrated kakhulu uphuza amanzi kuphela ungaphuza amanzi ungaphuza ama fruit
udla ama fruit
more fruits more veggies umzimba uhlala umanzi those are key ekutheni ade uindulge na kanjani udla noma kanjani so these 6 things will help you ukuthi uphinde ubuyele back to normal.
Also to me ngiyajabula ngoba awushuthi amanzi kuphela uzothi mhlawumbe mina ngihlezi ngidrive yabona so le ukuphuza amanzi njalo enza ukuthi ngizole ngiphiza ukuchama njalo manje mfaka ngithonda ukuchama kanye ukuchama in public food naku siyazicala and umasipala uqinisekisile ke this time around ukuthi usuzoboshwa ke ngokuchama in public ngiyajabula ukuthi ufaka nale ama fruit ukuthi ungayidlela nje ama fruit a replace ke abe amanzi shuthi kube wona amanzi
ukuphuza uba hydrated akusho you must drink water lama fruit anamanzi lawa ke amanzi ayimpilo
right
natural water into efana watermelon amanzi la
ama orange
ama apula onke into eyifruit iba namanzi nama veg food wenza ama veg njalo nawo futhi ayakusiza ukuthini uhlale uhydrated hayi ukuthi nesala ufuna ugoqa amanzi akho sasakhuma ngamanzi ngaphambili ukuthi amanzi akufanele waphuze kakhulu ngoba aphinde abange inkinga yokuswela kwebrain umqondo wakho mawuphuza amanzi ngaphezulu ukuthi umzimba wadinga uzokulimaza kodwa ungaphuza amanzi through ama fruits nama veg and then umzimba will come back to normal.
Yes.
Wayesilapho futhi into ebalile ngiyazi makuqala unyaka wonke umuntu ufuna ukuluza iweight ufuna ukumaintain iweight yakhe ikhona lento abathi intermittent fasting leyo ayifune imali yakho kuphela nje wena kufanele uwazi ukuthi wenzani ngasikhathi sini ihlukene kathathu kuba khona esibiza ngo5 to 2 kusho ukuthi out of 7 days udla 5 days bese uya breaker for 2 days kube khona enye esithi udaily futhi mawudla kufanele khona igap between 6 and 8 hours gap mawudle ngo9 uzobala 7 or 8 hours uphinde futhi udle la in between ngenkathi usalile ama hours akho akufalanga usnack no chips nothing even if fruit le fale nje udla hlesweni between 6 and 8 hours uphinde udle which means ungadla kabili ngela this is the minimum which means ngenkathi umzimba wakho ungagayi yilapho umzimba wakho ubalance khona uyishisela wona amafutha right and then bese bakhona ke le yokushintshana ukuthi mhlawumbe ungadla ngomsombuluko ungadli kulesibili udle kulesithathu nayo futhi yenye into esiza ukuthi unciphisa umzimba ngaphandle ukuthi uyothenga into eziphuzwayo udloma into ezexoshwa kuthiwa yidla izo suppress appetite that leads to ukugula ngoba lapha ezansi bayabhala into encane
fine print
ukuthi while you doing this eat this and that yabona lapha ngithi kuwena idla noma yi kodwa kala isikhathi
impela kuyiqiniso ukuthi indlela empumelelweni inzima ngoba awazi mhlawumbe akona leyo fast eating ngizoyithinta eqala ukuthi uyarecommenda yini abantu ukuthi ba fast well uqhamuka nokusha ukuthi ungangadla namhlanje udle kusasa ungadli ngale kwakusasa well njengomuntu elamba ekseni kanje mina ngithi ngifika la ngizosengilamba but is it normal ukulamba ekseni ungakwazi igwema lento yokulamba ekseni because I think abanye abantu sebekhuluphalisa ukuthi umuntu ulamba kakhulu mhlawumbe yini ongayenza futhi engaqinisekisa ukuthi awulambi njalo
ekseni ukulamba ekseni kurandi asimhlawumbe udle ngo6 then wahlala usuku bonke kanti ufastile phela
right
so mawuvuka ekseni ulamba kufanele wena uadjust udlane ekseni mawum-Africa kufanele udle isiso sigcwale
okay
siz-empty so but ngoba sesifundiswa iwest manje usufe ukuthiwa idla kancane udle 2 slices of bread mawuyinsizwa ngombread izinto embili azindawo bese lokhu uphinda ke every hours upronyotha lento zabo
ukhona umuntu othi Njomane hayi mina angidli kakhulu ukuthi ngidla njalo
it's dangerous your system ayithola isikhathi sokuphumula umzimba wakho uhlala ugaya njalo yayibona qilaza umzimba wakho bese wayesinezilisu ezinkulu sinamafutha emzimbeni ngoba manje i-digestive system yethu is always working kukhona umehluko phakathi kwesisu esi-empty nesisu esilambile